Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with the word of the day with Create with Becca. And this is video 2, so it's word 2. Let me just put this in my little container here and remove this. And November 3rd is butterflies. So this is for November 3rd. And what I'm going to do, I have these, but these, by the way, are from Tsunami Rose, but my printer is running out of ink. So I just went ahead and printed them all. And these are her Christmas butterflies from one of her printable kits. I will link her Etsy store, or try to, in the comment section once this video is up. So let's see what I'm going to do with my butterflies. Okay. First we're going to cut out a few of them. And I want this one here. So I got 2 of each butterfly. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Just cut out those 2. I'm going to move these out for now. I'm going to put my paper clip and my number back on it. So now, we're going to finish trimming these out. I always let people know when I print something that's a different color from the original. I let people know that what's going on. So they'll know if they purchase this, the printables that I use, they'll know that it's not the original colors. It's, you know, the original colors are with the original digital, or printable, as I call them. And that's the way it goes. Now, I'm not going to cut too close to the antennas because I don't want to cut them off. So, like that. I'm going to go around this one here, like so. And then, rather than bend it, I'm just going to go on each side and cut it. Same thing down here. Just go around there, trim it out. Like so. One done. So what has everybody been up to? Leave it in the comment section of the video. How is your crafting projects coming along? You have any unfinished projects that you're trying to work on? Or you're catching up on projects or things like that? Catching up on challenges and, you know, things of that sort. Oops. Turn in there. Let's get this little piece out of there. And there we go. Now, oh, we'll go around here. Come in like that. Like so. 2 butterflies are done. Now, what I want to do is I have or had a background. I do have the background. It's right here. This is another one of Tsunami Rose's printables, which, by the way, is not the original color. I'm just going to glue this onto the paper. And you're going to see what I'm going to do with the butterflies. I'll paper this way. There. And then cut it out. Okay. There you go. And then what I'm going to do with my butterfly is go as close to the body here with my nail and bend it up on both sides. Okay, that's one. I'm going to do the second and bend them like that. Just take your finger or your thumb and bend it up. And then you can stretch it out. Then I'm going to take a little bit of glue, put it there, and stick them together. Like so. Like that. Stick them. And then you can open up the wings to where, and you have a whole piece here that you can put something else on. So we're going to glue this on here. Now I'm saving this for a future project. Just take your nail and go in. You want the bottom one to be flat, and then just barely lift it to where you can have your butterfly look like it's flying right off the paper. See? So that is this project. Please like, share, and comment. And I want to thank you all for coming to my channel, where everything that's made is made with love in every stitch. Whether it's, please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, and Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.